In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message on Facebook Marketplace updated for 2025. Whether you're cleaning up your inbox or trying to manage your conversations, knowing how to delete messages can be quite handy. Let's take you through the steps. To begin, you'll need to navigate to Messenger. You can access Messenger through the Facebook app or directly by visiting the Messenger website. Think of Messenger as your one-stop shop for all your Facebook conversations, including those linked to marketplace interactions. Once you're in Messenger, you'll see a list of your conversations. Find the conversation that includes the message you want to delete. Whether it's a chat about an item you're selling or a purchase inquiry, select that specific conversation. Next, you will focus on the actual conversation thread. Once you've opened it, look at the upper section of your screen to find a three-dot menu icon. This icon often houses additional options and settings related to your conversation. Click on it. It's usually located around the top right corner, and it's your gateway to managing your message threads more effectively. After you click on these three dots, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu offering several options for managing your chat. In this menu, one of the options you'll see is Delete Chat. This option is exactly what you're looking for when you want to remove an entire conversation from your Messenger. Hover over or tap this option. Remember, deleting a chat means it will be removed from your Messenger across all your devices, so be absolutely certain this is what you want to do. Once you've clicked on Delete Chat, a confirmation pop-up will likely appear. This is a final step to make sure you want to proceed with deleting your chat. It acts as a safeguard against accidental deletions. At this point, take a moment to confirm that you're completely ready to remove the conversation from your device. Once you're sure, click Delete Chat again in the confirmation window to complete the process. It's important to note that once you delete a conversation in Messenger, it's gone from your Messenger inbox. However, that conversation may still exist for the other person involved in the chat until they also choose to delete it. Deleting messages is a helpful feature to manage your communication neatly and keep things organized, especially if you're active on Facebook Marketplace and juggling multiple conversations. And there you have it. Deleting a message on Facebook Marketplace is as simple as following these steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more useful tips and advice.